This is Nongshim bowl noodle soup, soury. This is chicken flavor. And it's at 3 minutes. You can use the microwave or you can just use the hot water. And one thing is interesting that I show you how to cook noodle to your prefer, like the noodle texture. Al dente, it means a little bit firm, it's hard, and medium, soft. It go for 3 minutes to 4 minutes. I probably go to 4 minutes using the hot water. Also, you can use the microwave. So the whole bowl contains calorie 390. Let's open it. Very clear instruction here, and even told you that microwave should be 1000 watt. So this is the noodle soup base, and I think they put the flakes inside. Okay, you see it doesn't come in the bag, just in here. The soup base is like this. I'm gonna use half. And just see if it's enough, because this is savory, probably pretty salty. This is just boiled hot water. I'm gonna dump the water in. All right. Now I'm gonna close the lid. So for this one, I'm gonna go for 4 minutes. Now it's about 4 minutes. And I can smell that the chicken flavor is very, very good. I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, it's very good. I just put half of the soup base, and actually it's not salty at all. Maybe I should put a little bit more in there. And I think the noodle is soft. I just put a little bit in. After adding some soup base, I think now it's better. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my noodle soup. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.